In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a large file using Dropbox Transfer and enable delivery confirmation through download notifications. This is a great feature when you need to move big files quickly and securely, while also making sure they've reached the intended recipient. So let's jump right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, make sure you're signed into your Dropbox account on the website, which you can access at dropbox.com. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll notice a grid icon, often referred to as the Apps menu. Give that a click and select Transfer from the list of options. This is where all the magic happens for sending and managing large files. Once there, click on the option to Create Transfer. This is the starting point for getting your files ready to send. Now, when it comes to adding your files or folders, Dropbox gives you quite a bit of flexibility. You can simply drag and drop files directly from your computer into the transfer window, which is super convenient. Alternatively, you can click either the Upload Files or Upload Folders button to select files from your device. If the files you want to send are already saved in your Dropbox account, you can choose them directly from there. At this point, you might want to consider editing the transfer name, especially if it helps the recipient identify what the file pertains to. This step is entirely optional, but it can be helpful in staying organized. Next up, we have some settings to configure. Look for an icon that resembles a gear or sometimes a link that says Settings. Click on it to delve into the transfer options. Here you can set an expiration date, which will dictate how long the file is available for download. And if your Dropbox plan includes this feature, you can also set a password, adding an extra layer of security. An important part of this process is about enabling the download notifications. Just find the toggle switch labeled Download Notifications and make sure it's turned on. This ensures you'll receive an email whenever someone downloads the file, so you'll always be in the loop. Once you've fine-tuned all the settings to your liking, go ahead and click Create Transfer. Now, you're ready to share this transfer link. You can send it directly via email through Dropbox or simply copy the link to share another way. The great news is that your recipient doesn't need a Dropbox account to download the file, making it easier on their end. To keep tabs on the progress of your transfer, navigate back to your Dropbox account and go to the Transfer section. Click on the Sent tab. Here, you can see at a glance how many times your file's been viewed or downloaded. If you've enabled those download notifications, you'll get a heads up in your email as soon as someone downloads the file. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently send large files using Dropbox Transfer, all while ensuring you have delivery confirmation. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.